Hello people, good morning, good afternoon or good evening depending on which part of the world you're calling me from. It's Joe, your tech handyman here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a portfolio website using AI. Of course, we know that AI has taken over some of the things we put in a lot of time, to do in the past. So now with the power of AI, you can do some amazing things that literally will take you time in seconds. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a portfolio website in minutes using AI. So if the first time of you stopping by, please subscribe, like and comment, and then turn on the notifications so that anytime we upload you'll be notified. Now if you have your system set up, let's get started right now.
So guys, on the Google homepage, just type heyleah.com and click enter. It will take you here. Just click on get started. Once that is clicked, it will ask you to enter your kind of business or your organization that you want to build a website for. So I'll just enter this tech education firm, and then once you enter it, the company name, click on next, then click on ask me question or just build my site. So I'll use the questions so I can interact. So click on it. So it's going to ask you a few questions about the site you want to build. So here it's going to give your website a name. So type in your website name, in this case Tribe IT Consult. Then if you have a slogan for your website, you type it right here. So once you are done typing the slogan, click on next. It takes you here again. It will ask you to pick a domain name or you leave it this way. You can always change later. So Tribe IT Consult or site.live, click next again. And then it will ask you whether you want to sell a product or offer services or do both. So I think I'll go for both to see what comes up. I click on both. So if you want an about us section, this is basically asking you about the different sections of the website. For instance, the about section, this one has to do with the feature section. If you want a feature section, you click on yes. If you want to display photo more like a gallery, you click yes. You can actually click no if you don't want some of this section or any of it. In this case, testimonial, I want yes, so I'm going to click yes throughout to see what comes out. So in this case, it's asking whether you have a contact form. Then I say yes, I prefer that. And then again, you can actually upload your logo. So design your logo somewhere and upload it using this tab. But in this case, I don't want, so I just click on next. So it will take me to this place, and then it will ask you whether you have a site that you can get content from. I don't want any content from a main site, so I click on next. But if you have, of course, you can put the URL there. So once you get to this point, you are ready to get your site built. So the first one is whether you've asked enough or not, but I don't think I need any more questions. So I'll just click on no, build my site. And then here you click on continue to agree to their terms. So once that is done, it will ask you to verify that you are human by inputting your email and of course completing the captcha. So I will just quickly type in my email right here. So once done, just click on the so once done, just click on the complete the captcha and click on finish. So within seconds your website is ready, so you can click on view it. So once you click, it takes you to this gorgeous looking website. Just click on next. There's gonna be a lot of pop-ups, so you just click next, finish, and let's begin. So if I scroll down, the header image may not look so good. You can change that, of course. So if I scroll down, this is how the website looks. If you want to code this from scratch, it will take you a bunch of time, and of course the design is very nice, the asset point, and this entire website as it is now is highly tweakable. You can tweak it, it's editable. You actually have a map here, Google Map, okay, under your contact section. So if you click on this hamburger menu, it asks you whether you want to edit or to open menu. Click on open menu. These are all the pages. So if you click on a page, for instance, you can do a lot, and if you come here, you can order the menu from this place. You can edit, for instance, if I want to edit text on here, maybe I want to rename this particular page, I can just click on text and then start typing as I am doing our highlights. once done, and then you just click away and it stays. Okay, so once done, you just click on live. So to take you to the live site, you click on save now. That means you keep this website on file. So once you get here, if you click on the hamburger, if you can actually navigate through the all the pages. This is it. This is gallery, this is the testimonial page, this is the theme and the blog. So guys, this is how it looks. You can take time out to try this out and then see what you can make of it. Thanks for watching today's video. See you in the next.